Hello kids, how are you? Today, we're going to learn about the English alphabets. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and they are divided into capital and small letters. Let's start with the capital letters.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,